Okay, today's video I just wanted to show the boat I recently got and just explain what I was going to be doing with it. So we've got a bit into fishing, and we've been going and doing a bit of catfishing from the bank, and then in the end we decided we'd get a boat just to take out on the local lakes and stuff. This was a nice size one. It's a Lund 1625. I'll bring the camera over in a minute and show inside. Lund 1625 Fury XL. It has only a 20 horsepower motor. This is my first boat, so I weren't too sure what to expect. So far we took it onto Hoover Reservoir and we caught about 10 fish. I've set up my camera onto this so I have a 360 view, and then this I can extend really high. I'll show in a minute. I made some 3D printed brackets for it, but this I can extend it past my cloth if I wanted to. So that should capture everything. It's right in the centre of the boat basically, so should be able to see everything pretty well from there. And if I want to take it out, I can just pull that straight out. I've got a motor upgrade on the way. I have a immaculate power drive, but I wanted to upgrade it to have spot lock and stuff, so I got that on order. When that turns up, I've got to add that into there. I'll grab the camera and bring it over and show on the boat. This was a used boat. It was the 2018, and the people that had it before, very nice. The people that had it before, a very nice couple. They really kept good care of it. So I'll grab the camera and I'll show a bit closer up video. I mean, they kept it in really good condition. I've got it plugged in at the moment, that's why the cable's there. I did add a transom saver because the motor didn't have one, and I was a little bit worried about it bouncing around, so that was the first thing I added on there. There's the 20 horsepower motor. I named the boat. I did make a thing on my CO2 laser, but I messed up the top a little bit with the glue. When I went to glue it to the bottom board, somehow the glue got in there and it spread and messed up the design a little bit. But the cat burglars, that's what I decided, because I thought, you know, we're going to the lakes trying to go unnoticed and leave with a decent fish, so that was why the name. You can see the condition they kept. Everything was excellent. Then you got a nice bit of storage up the front and the live well. I'll jump up there. So up the front here, you have the immaculate power drive that I say that I'm going to upgrade. This is where the batteries are for it, and there's a charger in there. And this is just a couple more storages. This one I've still got to fill it up, yeah, but I've got a power station in there. Will be handy just in case. This side, I've just got some of them bumpers and a couple of anchors in there. You can put another seat up here. It's the live well. This is what I made with a 3D printer. And I just fixed it to the console, and this is just a studio stand, but this is solid. It's 1.25 inches, and it's a 3D. This bottom one, when I 3D printed it, I 3D printed a bottom on it, so it's not actually touching the floor. It's just resting inside of that one. And then these, I just made whole. Yeah, it came with the fish finder. A Humminbird Helix 5. These down here, these DeWalt, I bought these for storage. Yeah, these DeWalt storage boxes. Thought they was nice for the tackle. They're nice and deep, and you can unclip them one at a time like that. You can take out the thing that you want, you know, to use, and then close it back up. And as well, they connect to each other, so you can actually pick all three of them up. I'll try and show you, it's pretty heavy, but you can pick all three of them up like that and everything still stays in its box. So yeah, I think those are about $25 each, but I mean if you get a tackle box, you know, it's not much cheaper than $75 anyway for a decent one. And this, I mean, I can fit as much as I want, and then to unclip it, you just take the two clips off the side, and then you got your next one ready. And they fit on top of each other well. And the other reason that I got these was they fit nicely underneath the console. Yeah, they fit right under there like that. And then the little emergency kit with all the stuff in it fits on top of that nicely. So I've just got to get some kind of netting to go across that, and then that's done. You can see 5 people or £790. And this, turn this brightness down a bit, this is the back seats. And the nice thing with these back seats is, I did add this for a little bit of extra storage down the bottom of the net. But yeah, this was the logo, but like I say, I messed up with the glue, but I can make another one, or I guess I'm only going to be cutting bait on it, so. Yeah, so with these back seats, I'll just quickly show, these fold down and clip. And then this whole piece here, you grab hold of it, it comes forward, and then this becomes a full platform at the back then. So it's nice if there's only 2 people fishing. I've got the multi-bars on the way, so I'm going to have 2 of them, one off, you know, either side of the back there. And I've got a couple just regular holders at the side. But yeah, I like that this folds down, because then you can, you know, get up high up here. And or the other nice thing is you can turn these seats around. You can turn these seats around and face that way, so when I'm sitting in the seat, you know, this is my view, so you know, basically be right close to the rods. And that's another seat holder up there, which I might put the bait table onto. If not, I'll think of a different way. But yeah, I've been really pleased so far. Can't wait to get out and do some more fishing. I've been carp fishing pretty much all my life with my dad, and then recently my dad passed away, and me and my wife and her kids have got into catfishing a bit, so thought it'd be a nice opportunity for us all to go and do something. So this is my first video, but I'll be posting more, so please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, where I will be showing some of the modifications that I'm doing. Like I say, I've got the multi-bars on the way and the motor upgrade, and then I'll be adding little bits and pieces here and there. Like I say, I also have a CO2 cutter, a CO2 laser, and a 3D printer. So I'm going to be, you know, 3D printing. I 3D printed the brackets for the stand, and I'll be 3D printing some stuff and just, you know, showing any ideas that I can come up with. So thanks again very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll put out another video as soon as possible. Thank you.